Hello, this is Private Secure Data with our second how-to video for PSDMyHoard, the app for organizing your food supplies. Today I want to show you how to work with the shopping list in PSDMyHoard. What you can see here is the main screen, which comes up if you start the app. For this video I assume that you already have a hoard of supplies and that already some of those supplies have been used. So your stock is not where it should be. Please go to the menu and choose Shopping List. Now an empty dialog opens. Yet we do not have any shopping lists. This is why this dialog is empty. So let's create one. To do this, tap the round button in the lower right corner. Now the dialog for managing a shopping list opens. At the top left, you see the cross which closes this dialog again. In the top middle, you can see the current date with a pen symbol in the upper right corner. This is the current name of your shopping list. To change it, just tap on it. Now you can change the name of the list. I'll call mine List 1. In the upper right hand corner, you can see the 3 vertical dots indicating that this activity has a menu. The first option of this menu is Add Missing Items. If you select that, all items which are missing in your stash are added to the shopping list. Missing items means the difference of the nominal value and the actual value of all items in all your containers. The other menu item is Add Expired Items. This will add all items which have a due date that has already expired to your current list. So for now, let's just add all missing items. Now I get a list of all items which have already been deleted from my hoard. If you want, you can edit this list. By tapping long on an item, you can select it. You can remove the selected items by hitting the minus symbol. Hitting the round plus symbol will add the remaining items to the shopping list. As you can see, the items have been added. The shopping list handles the items as they are handled by a normal container in your hoard. There is an actual value and a nominal value for each item on the list. The actual value means this is what you have already bought or how many of those items are in your shopping cart when you are at the mall. The second value is the nominal value. This is how many of those items you intend to buy. Another way to add items to a shopping list is to do it manually. You can do this by pressing the button with the plus symbol in the lower right corner. Since this is the same process as adding items to a container, I won't do it now. So now let's go shopping. When we are at the mall, we can add items to our shopping cart. To increase the actual value, just tap on the 2 numbers of a row. Or you can edit the actual value and the nominal value. To do this, just tap on one row for a little longer to mark that item. As you can see on the top, a new menu appears. The minus symbol will delete the selected items. The pen symbol will edit the items. So let's hit the pen symbol. Here you can change the actual value and the nominal value. We are at the mall and see that they have a rebate on apple puree. So let's increase the nominal value to 4 and the actual value also to 4. By hitting OK, the changes are saved and we are back to our shopping list. Let's assume that we are finished with shopping. We are at home and want to put the stuff we bought into our hoard. To do this, we have to change the shopping list to cleanup mode. We can do this by hitting the round green button in the upper left corner. The button changes and we are in cleanup mode. If you want to change back to the shopping mode, just hit that button once more. Cleanup mode is designed for putting your bought stuff back to the containers where they were used up before. In this mode, also the sorting of the item changes. In cleanup mode, they are sorted by destination container. To put items back to their containers, just select them by tapping a little longer on them. If you have more than one item belonging to the same container, you can select them at once. you cannot select items which belong to different containers. To move the items to a container, tap on the button in the lower right corner. By default, the containers which the items were used from is selected. If you want to put your items to another container, just navigate there as you would navigate to another container when managing your hoard. By swiping up, you can look at the items you are currently moving. Swipe down to close this view again. I want to put the items here, so I select Move, and then I press OK on the dialog which pops up. Now we are back to our shopping list. As you can see, the items moved out of the list. They are back at a corresponding container now. Now you can just repeat this for all the other items on your list. I will finish this video here. By watching this video, you learned the usage of the shopping list feature in PSDMyHoard. If you like it, please get our app and give it a positive review in the Google Play Store. If you haven't given MyHoard a try yet, please go to the Play Store and do so. You can test the free version for as long as you want. Please upgrade to the full version if you like what you see. Thank you for watching.